What took you so long, Google? The Google Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro have finally been launched in India. The Pixel 7 starts at around 60,000 rupees, whereas the Pixel 7 Pro starts at around 85,000 rupees. And you can get some offers to get some discounts, but right now they're on pre-order and sales will begin shortly. Now, the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro have been updated and have been launched in India after many pixels were missed out. On the inside is a new chip and some more computational photography capabilities, but let's quickly take a look at the unboxing and then talk about these devices. Both the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are available in 3 colors each. We've got the Obsidian in the Pixel 7 Pro and the Lemongrass in the Pixel 7. This is a really nice color. I actually quite like it. Google has not officially announced any cases for India or any kind of accessories. A charger is also not included in the box, so you'll need to get one separately if you don't have a USB-C charger. If you talk about the specifications, inside now there is the Google Tensor G2 chip along with the Titan M2 security chip. This chip is now designed primarily to focus on all the AI capabilities that Google puts into their Pixel devices and a ton of computational photography. Google has also added cinematic blur as well as cinematic pan video options into their Pixel devices, along with extra stable video stabilization for 4K, or if you want an action mode capable video stabilization, you can get that at 1080p as well. We're going to be testing all of those things out. There's also massive improvements to low light photography. But if we quickly talk about the displays, the Pixel 7 gets a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display. It's an OLED display with a 416 pixel per inch pixel density. You also get a 90 Hz refresh rate, and you do get Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protecting the front of the device. For the Pixel 7 Pro, you get a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a QHD Plus resolution, giving it 512 pixels per inch, and you also get 120 Hz of refresh rate. You still get Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and you also get IP68 on both of these devices. So both the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro are IP68 rated, which is fantastic to say the least. As far as design is concerned, you can see that the Pixel 7 has a more textured aluminum on the frame, and whereas the Pixel 7 Pro has a polished aluminum. They're still both aluminum phones, so the Pixel 7 Pro is also made out of the same material and is not stainless steel as some were expecting it to be. The display on the Pixel 7 Pro is also curved on the edges, so that is something that definitely gives it a more premium look and appeal with respect to the Pixel 7. So if you're looking for that aspect with a curved display, then the Pixel 7 Pro is definitely the phone of choice. Now, as far as cameras are concerned, both these phones have a 50 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, but the Pixel 7 Pro also gets a 48 megapixel telephoto camera, which is capable of doing up to 5x optical zoom. And then you also have high-res super zoom that Google calls it, to up to 30x, in which it automatically zooms in and smoothens out the image using computational photography, and also stabilizes the camera so that you don't get shaky shots. So all of those things, again, more camera focused than ever. You also have tons of new UI features, including the new Material UI, as well as a capability to remove all the stock Google apps as well, so you can have a completely bare bones experience with the Pixel device. And of course, you have tons of additional features, including live transcribe and the ability to read out voice messages that you get in the Messages app, which Google says may come to applications apart from the standard Messages app in the Pixel devices. Both the phones also support 30 watt of charging and take about 30 minutes to go up to 50%. The Pixel 7 does look a little bit thicker in comparison, and that's probably because of the tapered design on the display of the Pixel 7 Pro. Either way, we'll be testing out these devices in depth in the coming days to give you a better opinion on which one is our favorite. But if you have any particular questions or queries regarding the Pixel phones, let us know in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.